Hello everyone, today we are going to learn the personal pronouns in Chinese. Let's start. For I or me, we say 我 我 我 我 For you, we usually say 你 你 你 When speaking to older people or higher studies people, we say 您您您 For he, him, she, her, and it, we use the same word 他他他他 The pronunciation is the same. However, as you can see, each word has a different Chinese character. When making pronouns plural, we add men to the end of each. The first plural pronoun is 你们你们你们你们 English doesn't have these words. In English, we usually say you all or you guys. For we or us, we say 我们我们我们我们 For they or them, we say 他们他们他们他们 As we talked about before, the Chinese character changes depending if it's she, he, or it. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content and check the description box below for more resources on how to improve your Chinese. Thanks for watching.